Hey Johnny, we got this set up right, buddy. You got the 325 over 1,000. Now we just have to reduce this fraction, which is a little bit monstrous. A couple different ways we could do this. We could just look at this. The top and bottom number end in 5 or 0, so we could do the 5 rule there. You know what I mean? You might have to do that a couple times or whatever. We could also just factor this out. So if I think about just the fraction, 325 over 1,000, we can just basically do a factor tree on that. 325 divided by 5, like I have no idea what that is, but 325 divided by 5, that gives us 65, right? So 5 times 65, and I know that 65 ends in 5, so 65 divided by 5, it's going to give us 13. So let me just rewrite that 65 as 5 times 13. All right, and we'll do the same with 1,000. I mean, 1,000 is going to come out to be, 100 times 10, right? 100 times 10 is 1,000. We could break this down too, because that's going to be 5 times 2. We could break this 100 down as 5 times 20. 20 is 5 times 4. So we could pull out a couple 5s here anyway, right? We don't have to get too crazy with it all, but let's rewrite this as 5 times 5, this 1,000, 5 times 5 times, just get the old calculator going, divide by 5 times 40, right? 5 times 5 times 40. That's going to give us 1,000. So then what we can do, cancel some 5s, we're left with 13 over 40. And this is a prime number, there's no other two factors I can pull out of that. That's how I know we're reduced. So as a mixed number, it would be 23 and 13 over 40. So if we jump back to the old My Math Lab, 23, fix up that fraction, that's going to be 13. 13, bottom number, 40. There we go. So I hope that helps, buddy. Just factor it out. That's the slicker way. You can pull out, a couple of numbers that are the same. And notice that I could have went pretty crazy on the 1,000, but once I got to 13, that's a prime number, that told me to stop. So there's nothing else I could factor out anyway, so just leave her as 13 over 40. Hope that helps.